Smith Pumps was the first company to provide pumps specifically for LP gas in 1938. One of the most popular, small dispensing pumps we provide is our E-Series pump. Like all of our pump models, the E-Series pump is very simple to maintain. This video is going to explain how to replace the mechanical seal for a Smith E-Series pump. Replacing a mechanical seal in a Smith pump is very simple and can be done in a matter of minutes at the job site without the need to disassemble the pump from the pipework. This video is intended as a supplemental guide to replace a mechanical seal used for a Smith E-Series pump only. Be sure to review all literature that pertains to the E-Series pump found on our website, including Repair Manual ED1 and Warning Sheet AL201 before performing any pump repairs. Always make sure to safely depressurize the pump before conducting any maintenance and repairs. This must be accomplished by trained and authorized personnel only. Make sure to follow all applicable safety codes and company procedures when doing so. If a seal leak does occur, the user will see product leakage exiting from the bleeder cup. Never operate the pump with a seal leak. Never put grease or other lubricants in the bleeder cup. When repairing a Smith pump, be sure to locate the pump model and serial number located on the label plate on top of the main housing. If the label plate is missing or damaged, the serial number can also be found stamped underneath the part of the main housing where the bleeder cup is located. Once the serial number is located, please provide it to your local distributor or our office before replacement parts are ordered. All Smith mechanical seals come as one pre-tested, pre-assembled unit built onto the drive shaft. Because of this, the end user does not need to install individual seal components. Make sure you have the correct mechanical seal for the E-pump being repaired, confirmed by the data plate and serial number. For the EG1Z pump that has 3/4 inch FNPT inlet and outlet ports, the mechanical seal part number is E100Z. For the ECHZ pump that has 1 inch FNPT inlet and outlet ports, the part number is E100HZ. Notice the difference between the two drive shafts. The E100HZ has a smaller diameter where the drive gear key engages the drive gear. The E100Z has a larger diameter. Tools required for replacing a mechanical seal include a 9/16 inch socket wrench, a slotted screwdriver, a small tube of DC-33 grease, and a lint-free rag. The first step is to safely depressurize the system and separate the pump and motor using the 9/16 inch wrench by removing the 4 cap screws that hold the mounting spacers onto the motor. These cap screws can be loosened and removed from the pump cover side. Note the pump can remain in the pipework if needed, but for demonstration purposes, a new EG1Z pump is being shown that has been moved inside to a repair facility. After removing the motor from the pump, keep the pump drive coupling half on the pump drive shaft itself. This will assist in removing the shaft seal assembly. Remove the small Philister head screws from the bearing retainer plate using a slotted screwdriver at the shaft end of the pump. Rotate the shaft so the coupling key is at the 12 o'clock position. This will act as a reference point when installing the new shaft seal assembly to correctly align it with the drive gear. Pull the shaft straight out of the pump using the coupling half as a guide. Make sure to discard the O-ring used on the old shaft seal assembly. The replacement shaft seal assembly includes a new replacement O-ring pre-installed on the shaft seal assembly. Closely examine the inside of the main housing where the shaft seal assembly was removed from. Carefully remove any rust or debris in this area and make sure the housing is dry. Apply a very small amount of grease to the inside of the pump main housing where the new shaft seal assembly will be installed. This will make the installation easier. Never expose the replacement shaft seal assembly to oil or oil penetrant type lubricants. These could attract dirt, resulting in a seal leak. Now, slide the replacement seal assembly into place. Make sure that the coupling key is in the 12 o'clock position so the drive shaft key engages with the drive gear keyway. Rotate the shaft a little each way while gently pushing the shaft seal assembly in until the key is felt to enter the drive gear keyway. Do not use a hammer to drive the replacement seal in place. Replace the bearing retainer plate and fillister head machine screws. The screws should be snugly tightened by hand using the screwdriver. Thank you for watching this short video for replacing a mechanical seal in an E-Series Smith pump. For instructions on how to mount the pump to the motor, please continue watching our next video titled Inspection of the Gears, Bypass Valve, and Strainer Screen for a Smith E-Series pump. For more information, please contact your nearest Smith distributor or visit our website address at www.smithpumps.com.